What if the universe's biggest mystery isn't what happened after the Big Bang, but what existed before it? Scientists say time began with the Big Bang. But if time began then, what does before mean? That question has puzzled humanity. The deeper we search, the stranger reality becomes. Imagine deleting every star, every planet, every atom. Now erase space. Erase time. What's left is an empty space. Because even nothing may not be nothing. To understand what came before, we must understand the beginning. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was the moment space began expanding. Everything came from that moment. Everything once fit into something unimaginably tiny, smaller than an atom, yet containing everything. Temperatures were beyond anything since. Physics behaved in ways we still don't understand. Our equations work until the first instant. Beyond that, science reaches the unknown. For decades, scientists believed the Big Bang was the beginning, the first chapter of reality. But modern physics revealed cracks in that idea. The deeper we looked, the less certain the answer became. Maybe the universe never came from absolute nothingness. Quantum physics says, empty space isn't truly empty. Invisible energy is always bubbling beneath reality. Tiny particles appear, vanish, then appear again. They exist so briefly, they're almost impossible to catch. If empty space holds energy, what does nothing really mean? That leads to the quantum vacuum. Despite its name, a vacuum isn't completely empty. Invisible fields fill the universe. They never truly rest. Even in perfect darkness, they constantly fluctuate. Those fluctuations can briefly create particles. They appear in pairs, then disappear. Reality seems to blink beneath the surface. Some physicists believe our universe began from one of these fluctuations. If that's true, the Big Bang was a beginning, but not the beginning. But that's only one idea. Another theory says, the universe has no true beginning. Instead, it repeats through endless cycles. Expansion, collapse, then another beginning. Over and over. Forever. Imagine the universe breathing. Every expansion, an inhale. Every collapse, an exhale. If this idea is right, countless universes may have existed before ours, and ours may simply be the latest chapter in an endless cosmic story. Who is Atlas? Not a scientist, not a god, but a traveler through forgotten realities. For ages, he has searched for the universe's oldest secret. Every answer leads to another mystery. Every mystery begins with a question. What if our universe was never alone? Some theories suggest countless universes exist, each with different laws, perhaps different versions of us. If one universe exists, why not billions? Perhaps our Big Bang was only one bubble in an infinite cosmic ocean. But what created that ocean? That question pushes science beyond its limits. Here, evidence becomes scarce. Imagination fills the silence. Some physicists imagine endless possibilities. Every possibility waiting to become real. Our universe may have been one possibility, among infinitely many. Or perhaps, every possibility became real. A reality where every path exists. Somewhere, another atlas may ask the same question. But not every theory begins with countless universes. Some scientists believe our universe emerged from an earlier one, a universe giving birth to another. Like a cosmic phoenix, endings become new beginnings. Death and creation become one endless cycle. But another idea is stranger. What if our universe exists on a higher dimensional reality? Like a ripple on an invisible cosmic ocean. Perhaps the Big Bang began when two cosmic worlds collided. Their collision may have created a new universe. As incredible as these ideas sound, none have been proven. They're possibilities, not facts. Real science follows evidence, even if it changes everything. History shows impossible ideas become accepted science. Today's mysteries may become tomorrow's discoveries. Perhaps one day, we'll see beyond the first moment. Until then, the greatest mystery remains. Because asking what existed before the Big Bang may be humanity's hardest question. Perhaps the search makes us human. So what really existed before the Big Bang? The honest answer, nobody knows. The edge of knowledge begins imagination. Every generation moves farther into the darkness. Each discovery reveals a bigger mystery. Science advances by asking better questions. Curiosity has carried humanity farther than certainty. Perhaps someday, someone will discover the answer. Until then, what came before remains one of the universe's greatest unanswered questions. Imagine standing at the very edge of time, one step farther, and every rule disappears. No clocks, no stars, no space, only a mystery beyond experience. Maybe our minds were never meant to picture it. We're trying to imagine a reality without time, using a brain that depends on time. It's like asking what lies north of the North Pole. Perhaps we're simply asking too early. Every generation inherits unanswered questions. Each discovery leads to the next. Every answer opens another door. Behind every door waits another mystery. The journey never truly ends. Curiosity has no finish line. The farther we travel, the larger the universe becomes. Maybe that's how it was meant to be. The greatest adventure isn't finding every answer. It's never running out of questions. So what existed before the Big Bang? We still don't know. That's what makes this mystery extraordinary. The unknown still exists. Reality may be stranger than we imagine. Every telescope, every experiment, every discovery brings us closer. One day, humanity may uncover a clue that changes everything. Until then, our greatest tool isn't certainty. It's curiosity. Every great discovery began with one question. What if? The next answer may be beyond today's horizon. Perhaps someone watching this will help find it. The future belongs to the curious. Every scientist was once a child staring at the stars. Wonder drives humanity forward. Curiosity keeps the universe alive. Inside our minds, every question is another step into the unknown. Maybe that's where the greatest adventures begin. The unknown isn't something to fear. It's something to explore. The greatest discovery may be realizing how much remains undiscovered. Every mystery solved reveals another. The universe never runs out of questions. Neither should we. The story of the universe is still being written. Someday, a new page may answer the oldest question. Until then, keep looking up. Every star reminds us there's more to discover. The next great answer could change everything. Until that day, keep asking questions. Because every impossible answer begins with one curious mind.